And we're back.
We're back again. You should let me run around a
Nope.
little.
I totally would, but
When
we're
this
not gonna run
segment's
around.
done.
Yeah, when we're done with the apartment arc, I will let you. But we're in the apartments right now, and they're very hard to traverse, and you have no sense of direction.
We've established that. Are we going to, through the course of this channel, try and play all the Kingdom Hearts games I have?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Sure.
I mean, I have no objection other than the fact I do not like Kingdom Hearts. But I mean, even if I tell you I don't wanna, I'm not sure how you'll handle that.
I'll cry. I'll cry. 2 is actually really fun. 2 is beautiful.
Ah, God, this is gonna happen. This is the riddle. On the desk. 3 coins, 5 holes. At 1, seducer. Oh, jeez, something like that. When from beyond the woman doth play. Formless one, no lies. Furthest from thee. So 0. Old one beside the serpent sits not. 'Tis doth rot. How many holes do I have for this? I have 2.
2.
Put it right there. Not very good with puzzles.
With the puzzles?
Just gonna put these in there for safekeeping though.
Oh, that was too quiet. That was a moment of silence
Moment of silent
for
hill.
Silent Hill.
Yep. I'll take none of them. Anyway, we'll come back to that. That's actually important.
Oh my, it's getting really late.
It is.
We've been playing for a couple hours.
Yeah, we have.
I'm gonna sleep soon.
You know what game we need to play?
What? Amazing Frog. What?
Amazing Frog.
I wish. I actually want one of those. What is it?
Ouya.
Ouya? I want an Ouya system. Rather badly, actually.
Yeah.
Do you?
I saw him at Target.
I know.
Did I just walk back into the same room?
I hope not.
Yes.
The only problem is, as I've mentioned a few times, right now I am really poor and I don't have $100 to purchase one. Otherwise, I would totally do it.
So, it's just you and me. Gonna shoot you a lot. Ah! Fuck!
What was...
That was a bug.
Oh, okay.
Did you know every enemy in Silent Hill has a slightly different sound on the radio?
No.
Yep. That's a bullshit answer. Some do.
I want to be really creative and talk and stuff, but part of my brain's just like sleep.
Part of your brain can bite me. Yeah, like that bug just did.
Yeah. Whoa. I kind of want to see those things like get back up and crab walk.
Why?
I don't know. That'll just be kind of funny.
Gotcha.
If like after you put them down, if you don't kick them, if when they get back up, they like, start crab walking.
Found that. I really wish I could fucking see it. Got it.
You did it. You stepped on a bug.
Thing's a bitch and a half to kill.
Yeah, that almost seems worse than some of the other enemies.
I'm trying to compare it to another enemy. They're only... God damn you. There we go. Is this open? If I had a map, this would be slightly easier.
Oh, you don't have a map for this?
Not this part. There's no third floor. Ooh, map. Thank God.
Blue Creek apartment.
Please don't. Thank God I don't have to update them. That's the connector.
Oh, goodness. Pretty sure that was audible. That was me yawning.
In D minor.
Because it's like 1 in the morning.
Is it 1 in the morning?
It's almost 1 in the morning.
Well, it'll be fine.
But I think by the time this episode ends, it'll be 1. Yeah. When this episode ends, we'll be at 1 o'clock.
Probably just pass out then.
Probably.
Because I have to go school tomorrow.
I have to go with you.
I don't want to do that no
I
more.
don't want to do it.
We're gonna totally record music though, so it's slightly different than normal school. Like
I really would rather just stay here till then, but
What do you mean?
I'd
Till
rather
recording?
sleep till noon.
Like the club I'm president of doesn't start till noon and ends at 4.
Wait.
What?
Epiphany.
What?
Murky's going to school, right?
Yeah.
We don't have to go in the same car as
No.
her. So we don't have to go quite as early.
No.
This is beautiful. I should bring my car over here every time. Why did we not think of this?
Wait, what do you mean? I'm gonna drive.
Are you going to drive?
Yeah.
Oh, then this sucks. Then we do have to go early in the morning.
No, because I have my dad's truck.
What?
I'll just let your brain take time to catch up.
Okay. Murky's still going to go earlier than us.
Yes.
And then we're going to... you guys have separate cars this time?
Yeah, I have my dad's truck.
Okay. I've caught up. So we can sleep in a little compared to usual.
She's gonna wake me up early so I can take a shower and shit, but... Okay, so I'm heading...
I'm sure people watching this are very interested.
Yeah, no. This is everyday life. / I'm probably still gonna wake you up.
Look how much better he's gotten at running.
Yeah.
Did you see that form?
When you're when you're shit scared of your life, you're like, nope, just not today.
Fuck the wheezing. I can do this.
Do I only need 2 for that? Do I only need 2 for that? Do I have to throw around the Do I have to keep messing with the coins until I get it right? Because I've been in every room.
Do you have a little TV to take the corner tomorrow?
No, I got other people bringing that.
Okay. TV. Oh my goodness.
What? You need another Mountain Dew? It's time for another Mountain Dew. Unleash the power of the sun.
Anybody watching this? Mountain Dew is an addiction of mine.
Truly is. God damn, man. I need one more coin and I can't find it.
Marshall, how many times do I come to hang out and I don't have a either lunchbox stocked with 6 Mountain Dews or just a 12-pack outright out of the store?
Never.
Exactly.
I told you that.
Or a couple 2 liters.
I told you that Zach, like you left
I left half a bottle. Did he actually drink it?
Yeah, he drank it.
Yeah.
It was funny. God damn it, you're live again.
I hope he knows I backwash.
Yeah. Just nope, one more forward.
Every time I drink a soda, I just spit in it for the next person.
Do they move? When I'm looking at my map, do they move? Because I don't remember being that close to them.
I don't think so.
Just having a brain fart moment. Yep, just having a brain fart moment. Ow. I like when you get hit in older games like this one, even though it's a HD remake.
Yeah.
You actually just stop moving, get hit, and then keep moving. You know what I mean? Like the hitbox is there, they hit it, and then just continue on. All right, so after Marshall decided to run up and down some stairs for a while.
For no reason.
I've decided that I think I only need 2 coins. Just like, I think it's...
That was interesting. Why did the controller needlessly vibrate?
Don't ask me. Really, don't.
He walked through a door and his controller went apeshit on vibrating. I'm telling you, James really had to struggle to open that doorknob. Are there only actually 2 coins?
There should be 3, but I think since we're on normal difficulty for problem solving, like, read it with me. Ready?
Okay.
3 bright coins and 5 holes B. At one end sits the seducer of she. The wind from behind the woman doth play. The formless one no lies furthest from they. The old one beside the serpent sits not.
There's totally 3 coins.
There's totally 3 coins, but they mentioned 4 in total, and I only was able to find 2.
Okay, so wait, go back to the coins. Which ones do we actually
I have the serpent and the old man.
Okay, so read the riddle one more time here.
1 second. 1 second. Taking a med kit, because I'm getting my ass kicked. Old man. Serpent.
Okay, now go back to the riddle. Now that I know which ones we have to place.
Read through that. I'm totally going to Google it.
This is Marshall not Googling it while I read and do it.
I just want to make sure that I'm totally having to look it up right now. I'll be back. Anyway, go on.
At one end sits the seducer of she. Wind from behind. Furthest from they. And beside. The old one besides the serpent sits not. So they definitely do not go next to each other.
Yeah, the old man and the serpent. Let me just consult my map one more time.
Is there indeed a 3rd coin?
It says there is, but I can't get into that room.
Why not?
Shh.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm gonna try. The door won't open. From the other side. There you go. Just run around for a while.
Alright. You sure we can't just use the 2?
I don't know. You figure it out, Gavin. You're pretty good at figuring stuff out.
I will do my best. Running, 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 running. So today I had some pizza for lunch.
For lunch, really?
Pizza for lunch. Who would have got is crazy. Living in America these days, who would think I would have pizza for lunch?
What time did you eat?
Like 2? 2?
Gotcha.
I think it was right before I came over here, so.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just do me a favor and try to figure out how to get in that room.
I'm trying. I really don't even know what I'm doing. Going to another floor. At the moment. I'm just so lost.
It's all right, man.
Oh, goodness.
What happened?
Stuff to kill.
All right, kill it.
It's got to be slightly more entertaining to watch as I kick some legs. Up off the floor. Relax a little bit. 'Cause life's a whore. This video might start to bore.
Just let me check.
If I can't find the way through the door, at least I can improv rhyme a bit.
I'm gonna have to ask you to quit.
This is becoming a bitch. But Marshall, do you like green eggs and ham?
I do not eat them. I do not like them, Sam. I am
Would you eat them?
with a fox in a box.
Or
with
something
my
like
pigs.
that. And then, would you eat them on a train?
Would you eat them in a plane?
I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. That's a great book, by the way.
Yeah.
That is one of my favorite Dr. Seuss
My
books.
favorite one is Butter Battle Book.
Oh, that is good. Oddly enough, I really like the Lorax, and I've never seen the movie.
Oddly enough, you shouldn't see the movie, man.
Was it bad?
Do you know the premise of it, right?
No, I just really know they made it, and I was like, oh, cool, I like that book. And I
The
was
premise
like,
of it was the truffle trees are dead.
okay.
Spoiler alerts, the truffle trees are dead. After the truffle trees are dead, the character that is played by Zac Efron, I think it is, he was in
Maybe
there,
that's
right?
why I didn't watch the movie. That might have been it.
The character that played Zac Efron decided that he was going to impress his love interest, which I can't even remember who it was played by.
So it completely took the book and was like, we need to add 80 more pages to make some Twilight go on.
Yeah, gonna bring the truffle trees back to impress a girl, which totally is the point in the actual book, isn't it?
No, the whole book was it was really deep. Everything Dr. Seuss does was really deep. And
Do you remember?
if
when,
you did not know this, Dr. Seuss originally started his career with political cartoons that were on some really heavy political issues, featuring things like Nazis and other stuff, and it all had. Some of it was kind of darkish, but it was all with the elephant cartoons. Like Horton Hears a Who, I forget what he had that character drawn out in a one-box comic, and he was caged by Nazis and being taken away.
Or Butter Battle books about the Cold War.
Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, all that stuff is not really kid stuff, but
Gavin stuff.
yeah, I've always really liked Dr. Seuss, and despite it being children's novels, I love to read Dr. Seuss books.
Well, it's just like most things in life. They have a thing for the children, but then there's also that little wink, wink, nudge, nudge to the.
I just enjoy it in general. It's escapism.
Escapism?
It's fun to sit back and read a Dr. Seuss book. Forget about your worries and life and just have some funny, simple rhyming go on and some pictures. But anyways, the Lorax was about basically pollution and recycling. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Miss Bader.
The fact that human beings are awful, terrible people, and that we junk up the planet, use its resources, and people don't care enough to try and replenish it.
I sure don't.
And that one day it's going to leave us in a terrible place where the world is destroyed and we have no way to bring it back to life.
But I need sneeze.
That was the point of it, not impressing girls.
Yeah.
That was just a message about recycling will never catch on with fan base and blockbuster hits. How do we make this better? What if he's trying to impress a girl? There we go. That'll do it. That's what people care about. So we took this awesome, deep meaning and threw it away back into the love scene.
I know I did.
No, I really like that book, though, and the movie came out, I was like, oh, I gotta go see that, and then I never got around to it, and then I was like, oh, look, it's out on DVD, and then I never got around to it. I'm like, oh.
Are you kind of glad that you never got around
Other
to
movies
it?
are out now. I don't know, I'd really have to see it to judge. I sound really negative about it right now, but I really don't know. I probably would enjoy it. I liked Horton Hears a Who. That was a good movie.
Yeah.
I watched that 3 or 4 times.
I've never seen it. I don't like how they changed. They actually, that they didn't really change it. They gave character to the Who's.
Yeah.
I don't really like how they gave the characters.
They had to, though. Otherwise, they
They
wouldn't have
made a
been
movie, I know,
Yeah.
but why the hell did they have to try to make a complex storyline between the mayor and his son?
just filler. And it worked. I mean, by the end, they resolved it, and everybody got along, and thanks to that development, the son found a way to connect to Horton.
Congratulations.
I really like the movie. Maybe we shall watch it someday that we probably won't.
Yeah, that's my favorite part of it.
Yertle the Turtle's pretty good. I wish
That was actually about Adolf
Yeah, I know.
Hitler.
I wish there were a movie about that one. You know what they need to do for a Dr. Seuss movie? Let's not even make extra stuff for it. Let's just make a Dr. Seuss movie for the theaters that just is collective shorts of all the different Dr. Seuss,
Yeah.
like, computer animation for it. You know, that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like, have, like, the cat, like, narrate... have, like, yeah. They could just make, like, a Cat in the Hat come out and, like... You ever seen that old House of Mouse show? Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Awesome. Oh, yeah.
It was a Toon Disney thing where they had Mickey Mouse and all his friends run a theater where they had all the different cartoon characters and the villains sit in, like, a cafe and watch their own cartoons.
Hey, man.
That type of deal. Have the cat come out and be like, hey, this is Dr. Seuss.
It's been 20 minutes.
Oh.
We're gonna finish out the apartments because we're really close to the end.
Yeah, we're gonna get through this next time on the Broken D-Pad. More Dr. Seuss stories.